ziyadura. Ziyadura yo. Anginayo le mali ngakho 40,000.
Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I know it's you. Oh, you see it too? Yeah. Never knew that I would put myself out there. Scary to be visionary, but you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to start vlog today ngoba ngizoyenza ama changes eroomini. Ngifuna ukumounta i-TV ewallini and then nelo microwave. Okay, kunobhuti engimcelile lo wangikhandela ikhabethe ukuthi angiyenzele lento yokubeka i-microwave. So ama changes nje lawa ngifuna ukwayenza. Neflower ngilifunayo eMr Price Home. So okay, manje sizoyofuna lona and then ngithenge nalento le yokufaka i-TV ewallini angazi ukuthi ibizwa ngani. So yeah, asambeni say iskate.
And blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a work of art. Never knew I had it in me. My canvas, it stayed blank for so long. But I paint with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my muse. It's you. It's you. My
100. Thinking ndizawukusetlisha for yazi lesihlahla lesi sithombeni ngathi side kanti sifishane. Njani?
Do you need back?
No. Okay. Hayi, ngiyabonga.
Also this one is
Sorry, intozane zihlephukile zona.
Ushepukile? Shephula yini? Angithi sihlephula ukuthi
Yo guys, angazazi ukuthi ngifile kanjani ngale flower leli. Yazi online mangilibheka. Mangilicheka online bengathi lide yabo. Mangifika into incane. Kodwa futhi li cute noma lelincane. Kodwa ke okay, ngigcine ngilithatha ngoba ngilithandile noma lingasile into bengi-expect ukuthi lizoba yilo or kodwa yeah. Oh, she's my baby now. Hello my baby. Hello my baby. Senginomntana omusha guys. Oh baby girl. Baby girl. Okay, asihambeni manje siye mega what mega paint. Ngiyofuna into yokufaka i-TV. Ora ngiyeke kodwa angifuna ukuthi ngifuna ukuyifaka ebondeni. Yeah.
all that was missing from the beginning. Now I see it's you. You inspire everything.
Yo guys, ziyadura yo. Anginayo le mali ngakho 40,000. Ngiyadlala isiwu 40,000. Into engithanda ukuyisho yazi mangibabaza ama price ukuthi yo iyadura into yabo. So i200 is enye ithi 280 something and then enye ithi 4 something. I mean ibudget yami beyi lapho nje ko 150 to 200 ke nakhona noma beyizobe seyidura mayithi 200. But yo 280 ngisazochubeka nje ngibeka i-TV yami kwi-stand kuze kuba yeah ngiba right financially. Yeah asambeni yo sengilambile and ngiworried ngalo bhuti lo ngithe afike ngo2 and manje 2:30 and kusamele yo mina nesikhathi and the next year ngishintshe. Manje mase ngihamba uzozongikhiphela nje.
Ihluphe zizani, ngathi ukhiphe inkulufu vele ihluphe.
Angeke imoshe kakhulu. Okay, so guys, nibonile ukuthi before beyibukeka kanjani. Then bengifuna uku-add nje leya part leya. And then so manje kumele ngiclean and yeah, ngifake i-microwave and sibone ukuthi izoba kanjani ke after lapho ngizocleana na. So ngithenge nalento lena ngizobona kanjani. Libukeka kanjena ke dish elisha. Ngithanda lesa space lesa ukuthi sengizokhona ukufaka izinto extra, ikhaftini nan and then yeah so before wethu lona uday 2 we-vlog namhlanje i-Thursday. Anginala ngalonke ngiyangena emsebenzini but ngifuna ukuyenza i-washing before yeah.
So amazing is the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. 2020, you've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me